replaced a compressor on a Goodman unit for out back a while ago. R22 unit. A couple of years ago. And I think I just changed the compressor on a condenser, you know, in the condenser you just changed the compressor and it's been running fine. He's complaining about water now, so we're gonna go over there and see what he's talking about. Might be a backed up drain. Let's hope the pan's not all rotted out. He's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. He's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch.
I put a wire here.
Okay, what noise did you hear? This fell?
I don't hear the noise in there. I heard it on the inside. I heard it right inside over here. I'll show you.
Alright.
It's right here. It's between here.
Yeah. Well, it might be that it's dirty. Let's take this apart. Whoa, this thing's all loose.
Yeah, but maybe that's what it is.
You put this in here?
I put the guy put there that whatever the person did put there.
This is all loose, guy. I mean, how come this is all loose?
Maybe there was a plastic pin. There's a plastic pin. He came with a coil.
That's not good.
Okay, and then the pin will start leaking. So
who put this on there? You?
Somebody, no, not me. Then I called somebody from another plumber. There was a water leaking and there was a noise in
there was water leaking too, right?
There was water leaking. There was a noise.
All right, so we gotta find out why it's loose first, okay? Okay. Let's do one thing at a time here. Let's find out why it's loose. It's not supposed to be loose.
Take that one out. Yeah, that's it.
Can't have it like that because it's gonna leak water, right?
Yeah. There used to be a plastic and the coil came. Then the plastic.
Let's see what's going on with this thing. First of all, okay?
Okay.
Let's see why it's all loose, and we gotta find out why it's loose. Because if it's loose like that,
and I noticed this too over here. You see this ring here? Look.
Yeah, I don't know, but we gotta find out what's going on. I don't know why you put all this in there.
I don't know.
Could it have been that thing fell and broke when it
I don't know. It was so many years ago. The guy put this in the air conditioner in. He's the one that did everything. But I have a little problem to somebody else.
Yeah, see how loose it is?
Yeah.
Not good. She's loose as a goose. Don't want that, right?
No. That's why the water's came undone.
Oh, it looks like it just broke. Maybe we can glue it back or something, I mean. See how loose that is? That's no good. Let me cut that out and see what's going on with that.
You're the plumber, you want to know. I don't know what happened to that.
Yeah, see how that's just flopping in the wind? You can't have that.
Maybe it needs new hoses in the drain.
I don't know, we're gonna need something. Can't leave that like that, that's for sure. Wow. I'll probably have to put another. I know one thing, we can't leave that like that, that's for sure. Unless there's a nut on the other side, but that's really loose. There must be a locking nut on the other side or something.
Could be.
Okay, there's a plastic. There's a plastic nut on the other side. That seems kind of weird. Let me get some stuff. I'll probably have to take this cover off and maybe get in.
I just discovered take it out.
Well, hang on a minute. Let me get what I need first. And that's got to be tight. That can't be loose like that.
I know. I have a crack in there. Somebody was fixing a crack. And,
I don't know what the hell's going on with that thing inside there, but maybe that's the pan.
Yeah, that's a pan. That's a stainless steel pan.
No, it's a steel pan, but I don't know what's up with this thing.
Oh, that I don't know.
Gasket on the outside here to seal this. Some kind of gasket in here. If I can get a gasket on this outside, it'll seal. See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Let's see if I can get a gasket for that.
Okay.
Alright, so I gotta find a gasket. That's gonna go on the outside of that. Something that's gonna seal that up. Look at that shit. Okay, so when that tightens that up, that should seal that gasket. See that? There you go, mama. As long as I can get that started on there, because the other thing's kind of floating in the wind. Get that thing in there. If I can get that started, that should work. Hopefully.
Oh, yeah, it goes in.
If I can get the other thing from spinning. Thing's pretty tight in there.
Wheels.
Huh?
Wheels.
Thing's nice and tight. Don't need a trap on it. I don't know why they had a trap on it, but
I don't know.
we don't need a trap, so we're not going to use a trap.
Plumbers, there's a lot of plumbers works different.
Oh, that's nice and tight in there now, okay?
Yeah.
And we'll pipe this back off.
A lot of plumbers working different, you know.
Everybody's got their own way, huh? No, you don't need the trap because it's on the positive side of the fan. You only need the trap when it's on the negative side of the fan. If the fan's before, right, you don't need it. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So this thing fell off and you wired it back up. Did it hit the floor?
Yeah.
It must have.
Yeah, it don't fall off on the floor.
Alright, so 11 and we need 11 and a quarter.
So I put a wire in there so you don't fall on the floor. That's when I see that the whole goes.
What might have happened was it might have
Well, I started the air conditioner this year. The first week in June, this one it was working beautiful, nice and quiet. And yesterday it was.
well, it might have had water in it. And you said there was water on the floor, right?
Yeah, it was water on the floor. That's what I noticed.
Well, that thing was loose as a goose. So we're gonna put this on there.
Okay.
And then we're gonna run it and we're gonna see what happens. Okay.
Okay.
Piece in there. Two and a half. Well, you just want it to work. You don't want to.
That's right.
You don't want to break the bank here, do you?
No, I want just to work. I want the cooler because I know we're gonna have good heat next week. It's gonna be humid too.
Yeah. So,
You're talking about 90-degree weather next week.
really?
I don't know, maybe a couple of days.
90.
It's hot.
You go to the beach?
Only time I go to the beach when I go to Cohog in the winter time.
Do you have a sticker for it?
Yeah.
I got the sticker. It's like $35. Cheap.
I used to pay 25. No, I don't pay no more. I get free.
Oh, cause you don't have to pay as you get older.
Yeah, it's anything over 65.
Oh, cool.
65, you get them free.
Wow.
You
No
know,
shit.
They don't charge me for that.
Good for you.
Yeah, but I was allowed to catch only a half a bushel a week. That's it.
Oh, half a bushel.
Yeah, that's it. There's no more than that.
Oh, they give you a break.
Yeah, they're ready. Yeah,
A little bit.
Yeah, give a break to everybody. Even
That's not a lot, huh?
No, even the ones that paying for it, they get the same thing.
Half a bushel.
Half a bushel. That's it.
Bullshit.
That's what they give.
So I see.
I go in the winter time. They open November and one in November. I go start November 1st. I go one over there. I used to pay $25, but when I hit 65, I went over there. So the woman says, "Oh, you don't pay nothing anymore." No, she says, no.
Well, that's nice.
It was free.
Hey, how you doing?
It was free.
All right, we just have to put that in.
Livery.
I know, it's not fixed.
We'll fix
She
it.
says you're different because you don't see you for a long time. She don't see you the last time you were here.
Most people say, "Oh, I'm glad. Hopefully, I don't see it for a while."
What about drain? You never put no drain in there? You don't need that?
Don't need a trap.
Okay. So we all set.
I'm gonna seal that up with some tape. I got a couple in here. You don't need a trap because the fan's pushing through the coil.
Okay.
So you don't need a trap. Okay?
Okay.
And then this is still working. It's gonna drain into there and get pumped out. I just gotta tape that up. How they use tape. I'd rather use tape and putty. I could always take the tape off. Tape's more professional.
Does that make noise?
Well, it's probably full of water. I don't know what noise you're talking about. You said water.
No, there's no noises now. I got a roll of tape like over there if you want. It's there for you if you want.
Oh, I got specials. Got the good stuff. Is that the noise you're talking about?
No, it was something else. It was really oh.
Maybe
Maybe it was from the water.
might have been full of water. You know,
Yeah, it could be.
might have been full of water and just kind of gurgling.
Yeah, it could be.
You know. I used to have a girlfriend that used to snore like that. She sounded like an owl when she slept. You know.
Yeah, yeah.
She's a snorer. She started complaining that I snore, and then I wake up one time and here she is snoring like a flippin' owl. Yeah, I sound like a flippin' owl going on. Alright, so we'll give it a little time, but that should probably take care of it, you know?
Alright.
Yeah, so this broke off, so you put some wire in, and I mean, as long as it's pumping, you've got it plugged in, it should be fine.
Yeah.
Just the one right there.
It's working.
It was probably full of water,
It could be.
right? And you heard the water splashing around. This little piece of plastic, we could always slide it out if we had to get it apart. That's why I like them. They're like a... See, this is all tight now. As long as it don't leak.
Okay.
And you say the AC's been cooling good?
I think so.
Yeah, nice and warm.
It wasn't warm.
You haven't had any issues with it? I'll check it outside quick.
Check it out outside.
I think I changed the compressor on this thing a while back. Can't stop a Goodman, mama. There. Nice and sweating. See how it's all sweating? This is nice and warm. Charge is fine. Can't stop a Goodman. 97. 3-ton. Houston, we have ignition. See it sweating? That's what we want. We're good. Yeah, we put another compressor in there, I believe. Something was wrong with it. Yeah, I don't think it was a burnout, but something. I think one of the pins broke off.
Was it good?
It's working fine, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
We just have to make sure it's not leaking inside it, and then I'm good.
Okay.
It's nice and tight in there.
Okay, when you put the pipe there, so you put it over there too, look. The pipe.
You know, that shouldn't leak. It's nice and tight. I tightened it up good. If it does leak, I might have to take it out and put some silicone around it. You know.
Yeah.
Leak now because there's a rubber seal against there, and I got it tight.
Put a new one.
Yeah, so we sealed it up. You know, and that should be fine. It should drain right into this pump, and then get pumped out.
Yeah.
That's how it's designed to work. Good enough. Yeah, and then I'm surprised I got the 8-coil in that way. Oh yeah. That's an old unit. I'm surprised they have it facing this way. How come they didn't spin it around? Oh, maybe because of the smoke pipe.
Yeah.
Maybe that's why, but it's hard to get to.
You want us going to hear this?
Yeah, last time I was here, we changed this relief valve,
Yeah.
right? And that what I just looked at the charge quick. You're fine with that, and that should take care of it.
Pretty good.
That should take care of the issue. That's the only return you got. Is that one return, huh?
That's it.
For 3 tons. That's something. You got that running the cheap filters,
There's no filter in that one.
huh?
There's no filter in there.
Where's the filter?
The filter's right here in the bottom.
Oh, okay. You running the cheapies?
No, I already did it. I already put a new filter in there.
You running the cheap ones? You're not running. You're running the expensive ones.
That's a good one.
We don't want to put the good one because you're not going to get airflow.
Check it out. See if you. That's a good one.
We don't want to run the good ones.
Down in the bottom.
Yeah, whatever. Too bad. I mean, if it was me, I'd go Mirror 4. You changing them?
Look.
Yeah. Oh, them aren't too bad. If anything, I would go. See, Mirror 4 is the cheaper one. See it? Mirror 7 isn't that bad. If you go to 10 or the 12, you're really. But I would go to 4.
So okay, I'll buy you 4.
From now on. I mean,
Okay.
unless you change them every couple of months.
So in the winter time, so I can use that 4.